Guys, I posted this as a short not long ago. It was a short video, and people absolutely love this zucchini, and they wanted a longer video showing how exactly I do this zucchini recipe. Well, have no fear, I'm here, my friends. So we got some zucchinis, squash, whatever you want to call it. I also have some yellow squash as well. Some people will say this is a squash, which is a gourd. I don't know. We call them zucchinis, all right? All right, Jeff Anderson. So what we're going to do is, actually, I don't even need to lop off this like I just did. You can just leave them pretty much whole. But I like to take and half these zucchinis straight down the middle. Now you do need a very sharp knife for this, friends. And I guess a dull one will do too, but so just come through, take your knife just like that, and you open up this beautiful zucchini. So you got this beautiful, beautiful piece of zucchini half. This is a crucial part, and you don't have to hold it if not. Some people's like, ooh, you're holding this, you're gonna cut yourself. Honestly, yeah, you're good. So I'm gonna hold it daggone it. I don't care what you say. And I'm just gonna come in here and make slash marks, okay? Just be real careful here, guys. Don't cut yourself, okay? Just a PSA from old Hussey. PSA means public service announcement, in case Jacob was wondering, okay? Now I'll rotate it and then come this way right here, okay? Just makes it all nice, makes it little diamonds. Andersons, they're gonna sit down to this zucchini dish and they're gonna say, wow, Hussey, wow. And I'm gonna say, yep, you're dang right, Jeff. It's wow. All right, guys, we got all of our zucchinis cut. Man, look at those cuts, nice and crisp. Got our, we also got some yellow squash going too. Got some nice crisp edges on it also. Now is a crucial part of doing this zucchini dish is you gotta salt these things. The reason why is these zucchinis, squash or squash, gourds, whatever you wanna call them, they got a lot of moisture in them. And your objective here is to get the moisture out, okay? You're gonna see in about 10 minutes, these things gonna be sweating like a dang sinner on the front pew of the First Third Colonial Baptist Church of the United States of America. It's gonna be crazy.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, hey, welcome back. Now you can see this salt, it has done its work. It's pulled some good amount of moisture out of all this squash, zucchini. Just gonna blot this with a paper towel. Just get that moisture off. When I was wanting to tell you guys earlier, when you put your salt in, just to try to maybe press on the left and right, just really try to get the salt down into those cut marks, okay? This right here, we let this set for about 10 minutes. You can go a little bit longer too if you want. I just kind of 10 minutes is kind of the minimum here, y'all. Let's talk about your griddle. Griddle, you want to get it onto about a low, maybe low to medium. You don't want it really hot here, guys. We're gonna season our zucchini up here, and I'm just gonna be honest with you, heifer dust goes really well on vegetables also, and that's what we're gonna do here today. And I'm just gonna take just a little bit of olive oil, and we're gonna come in with our heifer dust. Now comes the fun part. Let's cook this zucchini. Where's my spatula? Here it is right here. I'm gonna use a little bit of this bacon up. Feel free to use whatever you like. You wanna do some butter. Butter does good. And there's a very good chance we might add a little bit more butter to this later on. We're gonna start off with some bacon up. Gives it a nice little smokiness flavor. And this is it's filtered very well. And it's not dirty. So we're gonna take this cut side, gonna put it right down onto the griddle. All right, we're gonna let this go for, I don't know, maybe 3 to 4 minutes. And we're gonna flip them and see what we got. But again, you really want to make sure you leave this, don't really touch it. You want that nice browning on that cut side because it makes a nice presentation. All right, guys, it's been about 5 minutes, maybe 6 minutes. And I checked these a second ago and I think they are ready. There's the one that we kind of broke in half, but look at that, nice caramelization. Browning, that's exactly what you want. And that's what, taking that moisture out of the squash makes it so much better. Yeah, buddy, look at that. We're gonna let these finish cooking here. Another 5-6 minutes. I might even dome them actually. So that way they'll cook a little bit faster. That'll help cook everything a little bit faster on us, okay? So we're gonna give this another maybe 5 minutes and we'll come right back. Don't go away, because also at the end, you know what we got? Some bloopers. Some awesome bloopers right here. Come back. After about the 3 to 5 minute mark, depending on how hot it is, we're gonna take our dome off, and I might flip these over onto the other side because I do see a little bit more moisture kind of pooling into our cut marks. You'll see here, we've got some nice browning on this side. All right, guys, it's been long enough, and I'm pretty sure these are done. Oh boy, even browned up just a little bit more. Look at that. Look at that. That is a pretty sight right there. Oh man, that is beautiful. There you have it, friends. This is our zucchini, our squash, the best that you're ever gonna eat, I promise you. Now, this is one last thing that I like to do is come in just a little bit of salt, not a whole lot, just to kind of finish it off, all right? And we're not done yet. We're gonna got a few other little tricks up our sleeve, all right? We'll take a little bit of balsamic glaze here. This will give a nice sweetness. It'll give a nice tang as well. I've done this with like a vinaigrette, makes it really nice. Another optional, I like to come in with some Parmesan. Feta cheese works well also. So while this one's already cut for me, let's give this a try. Oh man. Oh, the caramelization, so good. It's still got a crunch to it, but it's soft as well. The sweet and tanginess of the balsamic glaze works so good. This right here is so simple, so delicious. I guarantee you make this for any of people that you cook for, they're gonna love it. Y'all, besides zucchini, you know what else I like? I like some bloopers. Let's go. Y'all, I was just joking. I didn't cut myself.
This is about croissants.
Yeah, I'm gonna just put that in the background.
Like put it on top of the podium or something.
I'm gonna say, we got all of our zucchinis. We got all of them cut. Just perfect. All right. All right, we're good. All right, guys, we got all of our zucchinis cut. Man, look at that right there. Nice, beautiful cuts. Okay, man, I was doing a good job.
I'm laughing behind the camera.
All right. I can see people be like, he's. I did. I was like, come back. I can see people like saying, man, he's using that nasty cooking.